Children, let us continue the chapter linear equation in one variable. Now let us come to the reducing the given equation to linear form and solving it. And now let us solve the exercise based questions. Now you take the first question here. What is that first question? 8x minus 3 by 3x is equals to 2. Here in the LHS there is a numerator by denominator form, and both numerator and denominator are having variable. So here we have to cancel 3x. So to cancel 3x we have to multiply both LHS and RHS by 3x. So it becomes 8x minus 3 is equals to 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x, that you can write here, it is 6x. 2 into 3x is 6x. What you have done here? Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3x. Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3x, you got here 8x minus 3 is equals to 6x. Now you transfer 6x to the LHS. Transfer 6x to the LHS. It becomes 8x minus 6x, and also you transfer minus 3 to the RHS. Then it becomes 3. Minus 3 becomes 3 after transferring it to the RHS. So what you have done here? Transposing 6x to LHS and minus 3 to RHS. You got it? Then 8x minus 6x is equals to 2x is equals to 3. 2x is equals to 3 here. Then it is, you know that again here we have to cancel 2x, that is nothing but transferring 2 to RHS, that becomes x equals 3 by 2. Means we have to divide both LHS and RHS by 2. Transferring 2 to the RHS means that is dividing both LHS and RHS by 2. So what you will get here? X equals 3 by 2. X equals 3 by 2. What you have done here? Dividing LHS and RHS by 2. Dividing LHS and RHS by 2. Now let us take the second one. What is that second one? You take 9x by 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. 9x by 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. Here also the LHS is having numerator and denominator form. Numerator by denominator form, both numerator and denominators are having variable x. So you have to cancel the variable in the denominator. To cancel this, you multiply both LHS and RHS by 7 minus 6x. So then it becomes 9x is equals to 15 into 7 minus 6x. So what you have done here? Multiplying LHS and RHS by LHS and RHS by 7 minus 6x. It means 7 minus 6x is transferred to RHS here. In the next step, you write 9x only equals multiply 7 and 6x by 15. So first you multiply 15 and 7. 15 7s are, you know that it is 105. 15 7s are 105. Next 15 6 are 6x are 15 6 are 90 x here. 15 6 are 90. Then next here again you must transfer this minus 90x to the LHS. So you transfer, that becomes 9x plus 90x is equals to 105. 9x plus 90x is equals to 100 by, here what I have done, transposing minus 90x to LHS. Then it becomes 99x is equals to 105. Now here we have to transfer this 99 to the RHS, that is nothing but dividing both LHS and RHS by 99. So it becomes x is equals to 105 by 99. So you write what you have done here, dividing LHS and RHS by 99. So here it is divisible by 3, you write 3 ones are 3 33s are, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 5s are, so you got 35 by 33. Here the answer is 35 by 33. Then you take the next one, that is third one, z plus 15 is equals to 4 by 9. Z plus 15 is equals to 4 by 9. And in this question also, LHS is in the form of numerator by denominator, which is having variable in both numerator and denominator. So we have to cancel variable in the denominator, that is z plus 15 should be cancelled in the denominator. To cancel it, we have to multiply both LHS and RHS by z plus 15. Again here in the RHS is also in the form of numerator by denominator. Here also we have to cancel the 9. Therefore here both LHS and RHS must be multiplied by 9 into z plus 15. So it becomes, next what it becomes, that is nothing but cross multiplication. It becomes 9 into z is equals to 4 into z plus 15 it is. Then it is multiplying, what is the reason you are going to go? Multiplying LHS and RHS by what? 9 into z plus 15. Here we have to cancel 9 in the RHS, z plus 15 in the LHS. So both LHS and RHS must be multiplied by 9 into z plus 15. So you got here 9z is equals to 4 into z plus 15. And in other words, you can say that it is a cross multiplication. Z into 9 is equals to 4 into z plus 15. Then it becomes, it is 9z, and multiply z and 15 by 4. 4 into z becomes 4z it is, plus 4 into 15, 60. Now here we have to transfer 4z to LHS. 4z to LHS, that is, it becomes 9z minus 4z is equals to 60. So what you have done here? By transposing 4z to LHS. 4z to LHS. Then it becomes 9z minus 4z is, that is 5z. 5z is equals to 60. Again we have to transfer this 5 to the RHS, that is nothing but dividing both LHS and RHS by 5. So it becomes z is equals to 60 by 5. That is by dividing LHS and RHS by 5 here. Dividing LHS and RHS by 5. So you got z is equals to, you know that you can cancel 5 ones are 5 12s are 5 12s are 16. Z is equals to 12 you got. Z is equals to 12. That is the answer. Next let us take the fourth one. Fourth one is 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equals to minus 2 by 5 it is. In this question also, both LHS and RHS are in the form of numerator by denominator, and in the LHS both numerator and denominators are having variable. And here we have to cancel 2 minus 6y in the LHS and 5 in the RHS. So you multiply both LHS and RHS by 5 into 2 minus 6y. Then it becomes 5 into 3y plus 4 is equals to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. In other words, you can say that it is a cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, or by multiplying LHS and RHS by 5 into 2 minus 6y. 5 into 2 minus 6y. So it is 5 into, you multiply 5 and 3y, and also you multiply 5 and 4. 5 into 3y becomes 15y plus 5 into 4 becomes 20. That is equals to minus 2 into 2 minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 6, that is plus, minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 12. That is 6y means that becomes plus 12y. Minus 2 into minus 6y is plus 12y. Now again here we have to transfer 12y to the LHS and 20 to the RHS. 20 to the RHS. So here what you have to do, that becomes 15y minus 12y is equals to minus 4 minus 20. By transferring 12y to the LHS, it becomes minus 12y, and by transferring plus 20 to RHS, it becomes minus 20. So what you have done here, by transposing 20 to RHS and 12y to LHS, then 15y minus 12y becomes 15 minus 12 is 3y is equals to minus 4 minus 20. Here both the numbers are having same sign, so add them and put the same sign, so it becomes minus 24. And in the next step, here we have to cancel 3 here. So 3 in the LHS. To cancel 3, we have to divide both LHS and RHS by 3. So it becomes y is equals to minus 24 by 3 it is. So what you have done here, by dividing LHS and RHS by 3, then it becomes, that is y is equals to 3 ones are 3 minus 8 are, y is equals to minus 8. That is the answer here. Next let us take the fifth one. Fifth one is 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 by 3. And in this question also, here both LHS and RHS are in the form of numerator by denominator, and in the LHS both numerator and denominators are having the variable. So here you have to cancel y plus 2 in the LHS and 3 in the RHS. Therefore you must multiply both LHS and RHS by 3 into y plus 2. So it becomes 3 into 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 into y plus 2. That is nothing but cross multiplication here. So here by multiplying LHS and RHS by LHS and RHS by minus 4 into y plus 2. Minus 4 into y plus 2. So here you multiply 7y plus 4 by 3. So 3 into 7y is 21y plus 3 into 4 is 12. Then minus 4 into y is minus 4y and minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 here. Next here we have to transfer minus 4y to the LHS and 12 to the RHS. That is 21y plus 4y, that is transferring minus 4y to the LHS, it becomes plus 4y, and also it is equals to minus 8 plus 12 becomes minus 12 here. So what you have done here, transposing minus 4y to LHS and minus 12 to RHS. Then it becomes 21y plus 4y is 25y is equals to minus 8 and minus 12 are same sign. So add them and put the negative sign, that becomes minus 20 it is. Minus 8 plus minus 12 is minus 8 it is. Then y is equals to, here we have to cancel 25. It means transfer 25 to the RHS, that is nothing but dividing both LHS and RHS by 25. So it becomes minus 20 by 25. So what you have done here, by dividing LHS and RHS by 25. So you got y is equals to minus 20 by 25. Then y is equals to 5 5s are 5 minus 4s are, so it is minus 4 by 5 it is. So you got y is equals to minus 4 by 5. Then here now you come to the sixth question. Now you take the sixth question. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now let us take the age of Hari is 5x and age of Harry is 7x, because the ratio is here 5:7. You take the solution. Let Hari's age equals, Hari's present age equals 5x. Harry's present age equals 7x. Now here 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. That is 4 years from now. You know that here the age of Hari becomes 5x plus 4 and Hari's age becomes 7x plus 4. Here after 4 years, Hari's age is 5x plus 4, Harry's age is 7x plus 4. The ratio is here 3/4. The ratio of their ages after 4 years is 3/4. That is 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equals to 3/4. And you know that both numerator and denominators of LHS and RHS are here, both LHS and RHS are in the form of numerator by denominator, and in the LHS both numerator and denominators are having variable. So here you take the cancellation of 7x plus 4 and 4. To cancel them, you must multiply both LHS and RHS by 4 into 7x plus 4. Then it becomes 4 into 5x plus 4 is equals to 3 into 7x plus 4, which is nothing but what it is? It is nothing but cross multiplication. So what you have done here? By multiplying LHS and RHS by 4 into 7x plus 4. 4 into 7x plus 4. Then you multiply each term by 4 in the LHS and each term by 3 in the RHS. Then it becomes 4 into 5x, that is 20x. 4 into 5x is equals to 20x. 4 into 4x is 16. That is equals to 3 into 7x is 21x plus 3 into 4 is 12. Then here you transfer 21x to the LHS and 16 to the RHS. So it becomes 20x minus 21x is equals to 12 minus 16. So what you have done here? By transposing 21x to LHS and 16 to RHS. Then here 20x minus 21x becomes minus 1x here. Minus 1x. You know that 21 is greater and it is having negative sign. So you have to subtract 20 from 21. That becomes 1. So the negative sign here. And 12 minus 16. 16 minus 12 is 4. And the greater number 16 is having negative sign. So it is minus 4. So here again we have to cancel minus 1. Then it becomes x is equals to minus 4 by minus 1 it is. So what I have done here? Dividing LHS and RHS by minus 1. That is nothing but transfer of minus 1 to RHS. Then x becomes equals to 4 here. X equals 4. That is, here you got x, then here is present, it becomes 5 into 4. Here is present is age is equals to, the ratio is here 5:7, so it is 5x. 5x is equals to 5 into 4, that is equals to 20 years. And Harris present age is equals to 7x, that is 7 into 4, 28 years. 28 years. You got the result here. Then you take the next question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Now here it is given that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So here let us have nr by dr. nr let us take x here, and the denominator is 8 more than the numerator, means that becomes x plus 8 here. That is x plus 8. Now here what is given? If the numerator is increased by 17, means that becomes x plus 17, and denominator is decreased by 1, means it becomes x plus 8 minus 1. So here numerator increased by 17 and denominator decreased. Denominator here it is decreased by 1. Therefore you can write, then the numerator is the number obtained is 3 by 2. Then the number obtained is 3 by 2. So you write that becomes numerator becomes x plus 17 and the denominator is what? X plus 8 minus 1. Here numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1 and the number becomes 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. So you write the number is 3 by 2. Again here it becomes x plus 17, that is x plus 17 by x plus 8 minus 1 is x plus 7 is equals to 3 by 2. Again here both LHS and RHS are in the form of numerator by denominator. Then here we have to cancel x plus 7 in the LHS, that is in the denominator. Here we have to cancel 2. So here you do the cross multiplication, that is nothing but multiplying LHS and RHS by 2 into x plus 7. So it becomes 2 into x plus 17 is equals to 3 into x plus 7. That is by the cross multiplication, that is nothing but multiplying LHS and RHS by 2 into x plus 7. 2 into x plus 7. Then it becomes 2 into x is 2x plus 17 into 2 is 34 it is. Then 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 7 is 21. Again here we have to transfer 3x to the LHS and 34 to the RHS. Then it becomes 2x minus 3x is equals to 21 minus 34 it is. So here what is done? By transposing what? 3x to LHS and 34 to RHS. 34 to RHS. So it becomes 2x minus 3x is minus 1x, that is equals to 21 minus 34 is, you know that 34 minus 21, that is we will get here 13, that is minus 13, because minus 34 is greater number. Therefore 21 minus 34 becomes minus 13. Then x is equals to, you know, minus 13 by minus 1 it is. X is equals to minus 13 by minus 1. Here what I have done? Dividing LHS and RHS by minus 1. So it is x is equals to 13. You got x is equals to 13. Then the number becomes, here the number is x by x plus 18, x plus 8. So you write the rational number is, therefore the rational number is, we have taken x by x plus 8, x by x plus 8, that is equals to x is here 13 by 13 plus 8, that is equals to 13 by 21. So what is the rational number here? The rational number is 13 by 21. And here that chapter is completed. That is the end of the exercise.